Hi there, and welcome to your Empower Express Lite 30-day free trial. I'm going to take you through today on a quick installation demonstration on how to install Empower Lite. You should have received an email such as this with a download link. So simply click on that download link, and you will see up here in your browser, if you're using Chrome or in your associated browser, it will download. Once it completes, you'll have the option to navigate into your downloads. Here is my downloads. And this will be the Empower file that you want to run your installation from. So there's no need to uninstall the file. You simply double click within the zip, then double click the setup. Now, because it's running from a zip, there may be a little delay, so please don't click it twice, just click it once. When you get to the dialog, then just follow along, accept the terms, and install. Nearly there. Now, once this completes, then you should be free to start PowerPoint. And there it goes, it's finished. Right, once done, you feel free to launch PowerPoint. And on the boot up of PowerPoint, you should see loading Empower charts as one of your add-ins. And then the top left of your screen, you'll see there's now an Empower tab with the Empower dialog. To ensure that it's working correctly, simply navigate to anywhere on the slide, select Empower charts, and insert a chart like so. There it goes, it's initializing. All looks well. There we go, a successful installation with Empower charts or Empower Lite. Thank you.